Genset Services Incorporated is a full-service generator company that provides generator service, sales, parts, and rental. We are committed to providing the best support for all the equipment we supply throughout the state of Florida. Buying a standby generator system protects you from the very serious life and economic issues resulting from a power outage. As such, operational readiness status less than 100% is not acceptable. Lack of routine maintenance is the principal reason sets fail to perform during a power outage. It's foolhardy to assume a sophisticated piece of equipment can maintain 100% operational readiness without any routine maintenance. The consequences of failure will significantly outweigh the maintenance costs. The Genset Services teams are experts on generator maintenance and have developed planned maintenance procedures to dramatically improve operational readiness and the chances of failing to supply power to a critical application. The National Fire Protective Association, the recognized body for setting codes for power systems and critical failures, has included in their NFPA 110 code detailed procedures for planned maintenance. Planned maintenance is not only the right thing to do, in many cases it's the required thing to do. One of the most common causes of failure and reduction in performance is insufficient attention paid to a system's diesel fuel supply. Diesel left standing for extended periods degrades substantially to the point of becoming totally useless. Standby power systems are particularly susceptible to diesel fuel issues, as it sits unattended for long periods. Diesel is particularly susceptible to degeneration by water. Water condenses on exposed surfaces to promote algae growth, which lowers the cetane rating and can damage the engine's fuel system. If nothing else, a diesel tank should be kept full. Genset Services full maintenance steps A, B, and C will reduce engine underperformance caused by poor diesel fuel. Step A is fuel testing. During our service call, our Step A procedure samples the fuel to check for water contamination and any bottom sediment. The sample we take also checks the gel, flash, and cloud points. Step B and C provide additional protection and go all the way to ensure better fuel quality and the adoption of best practices in fuel servicing and earth-friendly recycling of poor fuel. Step B is the solution to fuel issues found during fuel testing and often is carried out as a preventive service. Our fuel polishing equipment removes any water and sediment from the tank. Filters within the equipment remove contaminants and strain water, with the fuel being shock treated. Step B is an economical and earth-friendly alternative to replacing fuel. All your fuel will be recycled with no loss of product. Step C is to treat your diesel so that it's maintained in top condition. By covering the full spectrum of potential issues harmful to diesel with 3 products, we ensure the fuel is up to par and ready to deliver full engine performance. Our 3 products fight microorganism growth, prevent gelling, boost cetane levels, and stabilize the diesel. Additional benefits from treatments are added lubrication to the fuel and dispersion of any contaminants. So remember, the Genset Services ABC Fuel Maintenance Program. A full tank is best. Step A is to test your fuel, and a good sound step to adopt for reducing poor performance linked to stored diesel fuel. Step B is polishing for better fuel quality. And Step C is treating your fuel for the best practice in fuel servicing and earth-friendly recycling of poor fuel. A standby power system cannot do its job without good fuel maintenance.